Greetings. This is a super quick video just to make an attempt to illustrate the difference between language and script. So to illustrate the difference, I'm going to be using a page from Mikrot Gedolot, specifically Mikrot Gedolot to the book of Proverbs. For those who don't know, Mikrot Gedolot is sort of like a study Bible. It takes the biblical Hebrew text and puts it side by side with a translation or multiple translations, as well as a number of medieval commentaries. And so on this page, you have the biblical Hebrew text. Then immediately to its left, you have Aramaic text, an Aramaic translation, and then there's a number of medieval commentaries in Hebrew. And then down at the bottom, there's a Yiddish translation, actual Yiddish. And the point here is that the same script is being employed despite the fact that three different languages are present on the page. So, for example, this, as I said before, this is the biblical Hebrew text. Meanwhile, this is the Aramaic text. And if one is wondering how you can tell the difference, some of the immediate giveaways, aside from slight grammatical differences here and there and vocabulary differences, but some of the immediate giveaways are usually, for example, the prefix dalet, which serves as like a sort of preposition, the using yod nun as a masculine plural suffix, the terminal aleph as a definite article. Those are usually the very quick giveaways, and of course there's others, but those are the ones that are easiest to look at. But now Aramaic and Hebrew have very similar grammars. One language that has a very different grammar is Yiddish, and when you go down to the Yiddish translation, you immediately see more Germanic definite articles like here and here. Then you have von, which is like a sort of preposition similar to the German von. You have is, which is a more Germanic copula of sorts, and so on down the line. And now I don't know much Yiddish, so I can't go into detail. But, or for example, here you have Narishkeit. Kite is sort of like a suffix, and it's a dead giveaway of a Yiddish word being present. It's a Germanic term. It's sort of like the hide in apartheid or something like that. It sort of conveys like ness, like they say Yiddishkeit in Yiddish for Judaism or Jewishness, you know. But anyway, the point is that this is Yiddish, this is biblical Hebrew, and this is Aramaic. Three different languages written in the same single script. And so the point is that script does not immediately convey language. Three different languages appear on the same page in the same script.